Today with me I have a dynamic microphone. Now this microphone is one of the cheapest and maybe the easiest to acquire if somebody is beginning to create content. It is a simple microphone. It is light, maybe just got a little weight on it, but it is still one of the easiest ones to use. Now this microphone does not require any battery to be plugged in. All you need to do is have the XLR cable plugged in this microphone. Now when I bought this, it came with a 6-meter XLR cable. That makes it easy to use it, perform on stage, or maybe if you are doing it very far from your sound card. Now in our previous video we talked about a sound card. Now you need a sound card to use this microphone. So the audio interface that we were using this time around was the Tayun Q24 professional sound card or audio interface. Now this is the device that we talked about last time. If you've not watched that video, find the link in the description or from the pop-up above. If you want to use this microphone, you'll need this sound card, and let me just show you how you connect that. Now my XLR cable is right here. It is a long one that I received when I bought this. It is a very long one. You can see the other edge here. It is a very long cable, so I'm not going to show all of it. Now if you want to use this microphone, connect your sound card to your PC using the USB cable that I told you about, and then now you need to plug this end of your XLR cable into your microphone. Can be clearly seen, and then the other end, which is normally goes into the the audio interface, this should be plugged on this other end here. Now this has two, it is 2 in 2 out, so you plug one of that there. Then now you'll have to turn it on your audio interface. There are buttons to turn that on, and then you have to also turn on the button on this microphone, so that's on and off. Now one more thing that I think is important to understand about this type of microphone is the sound gain. This type of microphone does not pick up so much noise or so much sound around the room. You have to speak directly into it in this way so that it picks that kind of sound. But if you just place it in a room, it could pick sound, but it won't be as clear as you would like it to be. So if you are recording something and you'd like the voice to be picked up correctly, then you definitely have to speak closer to this microphone. If this becomes a hard thing and you record on your desktop, you can buy a desktop stand, or you can buy this type of item. Then you can always just place your microphone in that. So if I remove this, then place it there. So this makes it easier to use this microphone because I'll just put it in that position, then I can just be speaking. Now when you buy the microphone, it does not come with this stand, definitely, so it's upon you to get one. So there is this, and then there is a simple one that is placed on the desktop, so you can use it. The other good thing about this microphone is that you don't need a pop filter. Now this comes with a built-in pop filter. So if you look at it closely, you'll notice that there is some form of a mesh material within the inner section. So if I do this, if I open this, you'll notice that in this there is some soft material in that. So that acts as the pop filter, because in most cases the pop filter is just made of such type of material. Now this helps with reducing the noise when you talk, the kind of sound that comes when you speak. So this blocks that air and it filters the sound so that whatever is speak remains clear, and your recorded audio does not have that kind of noise. Now this microphone goes for between $40 to $50. Maybe in my currency it's 4,000 to maybe sometimes 6,000. Depends on the season. Sometimes they have promotions, and this is a brand that is trying to establish itself on the market, so it has promotions frequently. You could get your piece anytime you wish to. So if you need a microphone for a startup, apart from the lapel kind of microphone like this one here, if you need a dynamic microphone, then this would be a great option. I have tested it and it works really fine, except for the sound pickup that I told you about. You have to speak directly and closely to this. Then again, that is also affected by the kind of gain levels you set on your audio device. So if you look at this here, when I plug in my microphone in this place, I have the gain here. This is the gain. Now if I set this gain as maybe half, I'll not be able to pick that much sound. So in most cases I have to turn it all the way down 3/4 in most cases for it to pick, and still I will have to speak directly into the microphone for it to to pick any reasonable sound. So that's what we have on the dynamic microphone. If you've not bought yourself one and you'd like to, I'll share a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, and if you click on it, maybe I could get something from it.